Everyone, I'm Eliza Marie Icapuso from BPE-21 under the College of Human Kinetics in the Polytechnic University of the Philippines. I'm here guys in front of you to tell something about my hobby. I don't know how I started liking this kind of hobby. Well, I just found out to myself that doing this kind of interest makes me feel happy. I remember when I was a child, I really loved making showdowns with my childhood friends. Then after that, they would choose me as a winner. I can control myself to smile. Who knows that I'm the one who declared as a winner when I got to elementary and high school. Not like before that I'm doing this anytime I wanted. High school days, I attempted to join to our dance group in our school. Indeed, I felt quite sad and absolutely ashamed. It makes me envy to those people I knew if they are part of our dance group in our school. I could only dance if there's an activity happened in our school. But you know what? When I got to college, guess what? I became a member of the PUP Dance Boys, which competes outside the school. I am. My other friends can't believe that I am part of the PUP Dance Boys. Well, I should be proud of, right? Of course I am. On my first training, I don't have any idea about what dance sport is. Like what kind of dance is that? What's the different genre in dance sport? Now let's go to the different category in dance sport. Latin dance. Latin dance is known for its action and sexy play. Latin dance is gaining popularity on dance floor everywhere. Now let's go to the different genre in Latin dance. The first one is samba. The samba is an extremely fast dance. The samba is considered the dance of celebration enjoyed at carnival celebrations in Rio. The second one is cha-cha. The cha-cha is energetic and sassy. Cha-cha is playful dance. The light and bubbly feel of the cha-cha give its unique sense of fun.
Partita, ecco la gara è già partita, tutta la curva è impazzita, adrenalina sale il gusto della festa, corre forte va, cresce la sera. Partita, tequila misto margarita, brucia la gola alla torsida.
Rumba is known as the dance of love. The rumba is very slow, serious, romantic dance with flirtation between the partners. The dance is fun to watch, as many of its basic dance figure of the dance have a teasing theme in which the lady flirts with and then reject her male partner, often with apparent sexual aggression. I never thought talking about your interests was a kind of tiring. Well, at least I enjoy. We enjoy, right? For me, it was a privilege to discuss and share one of my hobbies that really helped us a lot. Thanks to Sir Erwin Cipriano for giving us an opportunity to showcase our interests and even to tell people the true essence of our talents, not knowing that this is very helpful on our part. In short, interests or hobbies was not just interests and hobbies itself. It is an effective material for us to use on, not only for ourselves, but also to be shared to everyone for transfer of learning. That would be all. Thanks for the like, thanks for the share, and thanks for watching. Once again, I'm Eliza Marie Icapuso from BPE-21 under the College of Human Kinetics. God bless you all. Bye-bye!